Hey, what's up? Phil here with Video School, and today we have one more brush pack for you. This is the final one in a while, so if you've been following, I hope you've enjoyed these different brush packs that we've been giving out to you. This is a nature stamp pack, so you can see that as I sort of paint these on, this is a variety of different nature elements that you can use in combination to add to your other artwork. There's also some cool ones like this leaf pattern, and this is more something you can create as you brush on. It creates this leafy pattern, which is kind of a cool technique to get this style. This would take ages to do manually, one little stroke at a time with a standard brush. And as I sort of layer on these different colors and things, you can start to see sort of a fall tree about to lose all of his leaves. This is pretty cool. And the beautiful thing about this is now that you have a number of brush packs, if you followed along, this is our 7th brush pack that we've given out and added to our Photoshop course, which you get completely free, all of them, hundreds of dollars worth of brushes you get as part of our class. You can use some of our other brushes now. So let's take sort of a dark one. We're going to add it to another layer, put it behind, and you can see that we can start to use them in combination to create some realistic artwork. Okay, so this is one of the benefits of being a Video School member, and I'm just doing this with my mouse. If I had a stylus, it would come out better. We got some other brushes down here, or stamps, like this grassy texture. So let's add this above. So we're creating this sort of scene. We got this grass. Probably make it a little bit more yellow because we're in the fall. Ooh, that is neon. That is not the right color. But as you layer the grass on, you start to get a more natural looking scene. Oh, maybe not natural, but so how do you get these brushes if you're not in our courses? Well, if you want to be a part of the Photoshop course, you're in luck, because today we're giving it out completely free to anyone who wants to join the class. And for the next few days, you can join through the link down below. It's free for the first 1,000 members. So that's pretty cool. If you want to join, you get all the brushes completely free. I mean, this is just a ridiculous deal that we do when we launch these brushes as a way of saying thank you for supporting us at Video School. So join through that link down below. I'm just going to keep going. So here we have some more. We've got like this. We've got one that's like a deer. This is a cool one. So we're going to add this to another layer. We're going to make it sort of a lighter brown. We're going to stamp it right there, and then we can move it behind our tree trunk. So you got this deer coming out from the background. So lots of cool stuff. Maybe let's use our watercolor brushes now. We're going to add watercolor. Let's add sort of like a light blue in the background. Maybe this one's probably a good one. Whoop. There we go. And as you can see, just lots of cool creative stuff, and this is just what I've come up with in 1 minute on the top of my head while I'm recording this video, and I'm sure you can create even better stuff. And if you do, tag us on Instagram. We love sharing the artwork that our students create using our brushes, and that's all we ask in return too. If you are using these brushes, the way that you can help us and inspire us to create even more brushes is to just share with your friends, let people know where you got them, and also leave some reviews for the classes. If you're taking the class on Udemy or Skillshare, just leave a rating or review. That helps us know if you like the course or not. It doesn't matter if it's a good review or a bad review. We just want to know if you're enjoying the class and how we can make it even better. So thank you so much. As always, this is the last pack for a while. We have launched 7 packs this year, over 70 brushes and stamps, and we are so excited to see the work that you create with them. So thank you so much. Much love, and have a beautiful day.